Hello students, let's continue exercise 5.3 in this video. Seventh problem, the students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Okay, so final amount it is given. Okay, we don't know the number of students and how much the money each student have paid. Okay, so those two numbers are same. The number of students and the amount paid by each student is same. That is, suppose any number A means A square is going to be 2401. Okay, so in order to find the number A, what you have to do? You have to take the reverse, that is square root of 2401 will give you the value of the number A. Okay, understood? The total amount of money donated is 2401. Total number of students in the class is root 2401. So by prime factorization, we found that it is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 4 times 7 is there. That means 7 square into 7 square. Okay, when you take root, the square will be removed. Okay, so that's how you have to solve it. So the number is 7 into 7. So the final answer is 49. Okay, 7 into 7 is 49. So 49 students donated 45 rupees each. Understood? In eighth problem, 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So here also same way. How we did in the previous problem, same way. Total number of rows is equal to total number of plants in each row. That is, number of rows and number of plants in each row is same. Okay, so you have to find out the root of 2025. So put the prime factorization like this. Okay, so you will be left with 3 into 3 into that means 4 times 3 and 2 times 5. So make pairs. So 3 square into 3 square into 5 square. So you will be left with 3 into 3 into 5. So the final answer is 45. Okay, 45 plants and 45 rows. Ninth problem, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Okay, so we have to find out a square number which is divisible by these three numbers. So you have to find out like this, LCM. Okay, LCM, how you will find out? Write all three numbers. You will write the how to do the LCM, you know, right? So 2. So 2 means, so only is 4 you can divide, 4 and 5 you can divide by 2. So when you divide 4 by 2, it is 2, 10 by 2, it is 5. So 9 we can't do right as such. Then again by 2. Only 2 you can divide, so it will change into 1. And write 9 and 5 as such. Then do it by 3. Okay, so 3 times of 3 is 9. So write 3 here. Then 5 as such you write it here. Then 3 into 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 5 divided by 5 is 1. This is how you will find the LCM. So LCM is, you have to multiply all these numbers. So you will get 180. Okay, this if you multiply, you will get 180. Okay, the least number divisible by all these three, 4, 9 and 10 is 180. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, so you have 5 doesn't have a pair. Okay, you see that 5 is without a pair. So this number is to be multiplied by 5. Okay, then the number 900 will be the least number which is divisible by all these three numbers, that is 4, 9 and 10. Okay, so which doesn't have the pair, that number you have to multiply with the LCM. Then you will get the least number which is divisible by all three numbers. And last problem, Find the smallest number that is divisible by each of the numbers. Okay, this is also similarly. Okay, so you will do the LCM of these three. Okay, so here you see that which is not making pair. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, all these three are not making a pair. So the required smallest number will be, you have to multiply 120 by all the three numbers, that is 2, 3 and 5. Okay, this doesn't have these three are not having any pair, no, so all three number you should multiply with 120, that is LCM. Okay, so you will get answer 3600. Okay, so that's the answer. So with this I'll end this video. Thank you, children.